So hello everyone, this is our call loop of the game. So at first we have simple menu, but right now we didn't implement any UI left. So we're gonna implement it later. So right now it's only simple, just like menu and start game. So when you press the button, it's gonna bring you to the weapon selection, and so you can select like a sword or a gun. Right now we still not implement it, so I'm just putting it straight up to the character. It's gonna be the sword and the gun. Right, you can start the game, and so when you play game, it's gonna be a wave manager, and with like a wave timer index, you have health and experience bar right there. For the rocks, we're gonna have white sword and red sword. Red sword is like more like currency you can spend in the shop to buy more weapons or upgrade, and the white sword is for the experience one. So if you level up in the wave, it's gonna bring you to the wave transition. Like right here, it's gonna be give you option to choose upgrade, like your status or like your ability, and then you can go to the next wave. So for the next wave, I give them like a bunch of enemies, so you can bring you to the game over one, and you can press start, like to go all over again.
Yep. So we had to revamp our theme because due to inconsistencies, we couldn't really get something nailed down. So we switched to something similar to 20 Minutes to Dawn. So I've been creating all the game assets by hand. So the map looks a little plain, but we do have art generated that it's ready to be implemented further. So this is the theme. We call it. It follows the palette. And then we do have sprite animations that we're still trying to load them in. So this is like the enemy attacks. And then we do have more incoming enemies that are all created and have their animations. It just needs to be further implemented.
And furthermore, we have some additional sounds that we have to implement as well. That's one of the music that we can. It's from the Legends of Zelda Narrative app, and then go to some of the other ones. That's a generic boom sound that you'll hear when an enemy dies. Typical hit. Typical power up. Another power up there additionally. And then whenever you have like the sword swing, that's the one that'll play. That as well. And whenever there's something being used, that's an audio that will also be used. And if there's anything thrown that's using glass, that's one of the things that will also be used.
Some of the future features that we have that we're still implementing is going to be an overall shop wave. After each wave completion, you'll be able to select from pre-selection of items, and these will kind of help your build and help you progress, get stronger as the game goes on. We're also planning on adding more levels with different varieties and obstacles in the way, and also different enemy types. I think one of the enemy types we're going to add is like a glitched enemy, which will kind of be like an out of thematic upgrade, and it'll be a stronger, harder enemy to beat. And obviously at the end of each level, we'll have a overall boss that you have to defeat, and which will also unlock you a new character.
And on that, we also transition to new maps after completing the boss. You get a different type of soul by completing the boss, and the point is to kill all the bosses, get all the souls back, and get back your child through these souls. So we do want to implement like transition art to kind of guide you through the storyline, so it's not just a bunch of just random waves. Yeah.